Good morning, all of you. My name is Hemkanti Manikpuri, BSc Nursing 4th year. Today is my demonstration class. The topic name is bladder irrigation. First, introduction. Bladder irrigation is a procedure used to flush sterile fluid through your catheter and into your bladder. Bladder irrigation helps remove and prevent blood clot in your bladder. It means किसी स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन का यूज़ करके ब्लैडर को फ्लशिंग आउट करना या कंप्लीट इरिगेशन करना ब्लैडर इरिगेशन कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट, डेफिनेशन. ब्लैडर इरिगेशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज इट मीन्स टू फ्लश आउट द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर विथ अ लिक्विड. इट मीन्स किसी स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन का यूज़ करके ब्लैडर को वॉश करना ब्लैडर इरिगेशन कहलाता है. Then purpose: to clean the bladder from decomposed urine, bacteria, excess of mucus, pus and blood clot. To maintain the patency of the urinary catheter. To promote healing, to promote the clot formation in case of bladder surgeries. To prevent the treat infection, to arrest bleeding. Then types. There are mainly two types. First, manual bladder irrigation. Then second, continuous bladder irrigation. First, manual bladder irrigation. Manual bladder irrigation is used for clearing clot retention. Catheter blockage is a very common complication in long-term catheter users. Up to 50% of long-term catheter are changed permanently due to catheter blockage. मैनुअल ब्लैडर इरिगेशन क्लॉट रिटेंशन को क्लियर करने के लिए किया जाता है. इसका कॉमन कॉम्प्लिकेशन कैथेटर ब्लॉकेज है. सेकेंड, कंटिन्यूअस ब्लैडर इरिगेशन. टू प्रिवेंट ब्लड क्लॉट फॉर्मेशन, अलाउ फ्री फ्लो ऑफ यूरिन एंड मेंटेन पेटेंसी बाय कंटिन्यूअसली इरिगेटिंग द ब्लैडर विथ नॉर्मल सलाइन. कंटिन्यूअस ब्लड इरिगेशन ब्लड क्लॉट को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए किया जाता है. इट अलाउ फ्री फ्लो ऑफ यूरिन एंड मेंटेन पेटेंसी. देन आर्टिकल. फर्स्ट, 3-way कैथेटर. सोडियम क्लोराइड इरिगेशन बैग्स पर फैसिलिटी पॉलिसी. कंटिन्यूअस ब्लैडर इरिगेशन सेट एंड क्लोज्ड यूरिनरी ड्राइनेज बैग with anti-reflux valve, alcohol wipes, non-sterile gloves, personal protective equipment, underpad, IV pole, dressing pack, catheter tip, 50 ml syringe, chlorhexidine swabs, 70% alcohol, blue undersheet, unsterilized jug, 500 ml bottle, normal saline. Procedure. Explain procedure to the patient to ensure patient patency. Position the patient for easy access to the catheter. Maintain patient comfort. First, procedure को explain करना है. Then, patient को position provide करना है. Next, ensure that the patient has a 3-way urinary catheter. श्योर करना है कि पेशेंट हैज़ 3-way यूरिनरी कैथेटर. देन नेक्स्ट, डन गॉगल्स एंड impervious gown, place under pad underneath catheter connection. देन नेक्स्ट, गॉगल एंड गाउन पहनना है. Attend hand wash and done non-sterile gloves. Swab IDC irrigation and catheter pods with alcohol swab and allow to dry. Hand wash करना है. Then open the irrigation lumen of the catheter. Then connect the irrigation set to the irrigation lumen of the catheter. Maintain clean procedure. Ensure urine is draining freely before commencing continuous irrigation. Then unclamp the irrigation flask that was used to prime the irrigation set and set the rate of administration by adjusting the roll clamp. Then next, documentation. Record in the progress notes. First, record करना है date and time of the procedure, indication for the manual irrigation including the patient clinical symptom, result of irrigation, example volume of return, output, clots and color of urine. Then next, fluid balance chart, record volume infused. Then nurse's responsibility. Before procedure, check for physician order, inform the patient, arrange article, comfortable position, provide privacy, hand washing, expose only the procedure area. Then during procedure, maintain antiseptic technique, follow all the steps, use only recommended solution, arrange the flow rate of continuous bladder irrigation, make sure the fluid is coming back. Then after procedure, clean the area, replace the article, regular catheter care should be given to continue bladder irrigation of patient. Watch for any contraindication, record and report the procedure. Then complication. First, infection. Urinary tract offer a favorable environment for the multiplication of bacteria because it is dark, moist and warm. Second, tissue trauma. During the insertion of the catheter and procedures applied to the bladder, tissue trauma may take place. Even the slight movement of the catheter can cause tissue trauma and breakdown. Then next, urethral irritation. Symptoms include burning sensation and pain at urethral meatus will be experienced especially by the male patient due to inhaling catheter. The next, bladder spasm. Bladder spasm may occur due to the balloon of an inhaling catheter resting directly on the bladder neck. The next, bladder spasm. Bladder spasm may occur due to the balloon of an inhaling catheter resting
Irrigating
directly
a Foley
on the bladder
catheter
neck.
by opening a closed system. Check physician's orders. Gather equipment. Wash your hands. Identify client. Explain procedure and rationale to client. Provide privacy and place the client in a comfortable position. Raise bed and lower side rails if needed. Fan fold linen to expose catheter. Open sterile irrigating kit on bed or on the overbed table. Maintain sterility of the inside of the container. Don clean gloves. Place an absorbent pad under the connection of tubing and catheter to form a working field. Place catch basin on pad. Pour irrigant into solution container. Note, do not contaminate syringe or irrigant. Place syringe in container. Disconnect catheter from drainage tube. Place a sterile protective cap or cover over the end of the drainage tube, or hold in non-dominant hand, being careful not to contaminate tip of tubing. Coil tubing on bed to prevent it from falling on the floor. Instill 30 to 50 milliliters, or amount ordered by the physician, of irrigant into catheter with a gentle but firm pressure. Remove syringe. Allow solution to drain, placing catheter over the edge of the basin. Do not allow end of catheter to touch covers, underpad, exposed skin surfaces, or drainage tube. Repeat irrigation as necessary until fluid returns are clear or clots removed. Document procedure.